Hello everyone and welcome you to day 2 of vocabulary module. And today's theme is going to be very interesting, which is none other than food, fun and party. I really love partying. Do you? So let's learn what are the vocabulary words and idioms related to this theme. First word we have here is chamkili, which is known as confetti in English. We generally use these in parties. These are basically small pieces of colored paper which we use for decoration. Second word, tandoor ya seek. तंदूर पर बनने वाले खाने को हम क्या कहते हैं? Barbecue guys, it's known as barbecue in English. तंदूरी खाने को हम कहते हैं barbecue. Next, बर्फ की कुल्फी. बर्फ की कुल्फी तो सबको ही पसंद है और उसे हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं popsicle. Here we have the next vocabulary word, जो है एक भोजन परोसने का तरीका जिसे हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं buffet. Buffet is a method in which food items are laid out on a table for all the people in a common place. This is generally seen in wedding ceremonies. Next word we have is खाने से पहले खाए जाने वाले snacks. तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? Starters in English. The food, the snacks we eat before the main course are known as starters. One more vocabulary word we have here is जो हम main course के बाद खाते हैं, मीठे पकवान, which is known as puddings or desserts in English. One more vocabulary word which is coasters in English as well as Hindi. Coasters are small plates which are used to cover or put beneath the cups or glasses of water so that the table or the surface does not spoil. One more new word which is पेय पदार्थ, means जो भी हम पी सकते हैं as a liquid consume कर सकते हैं, those are known as beverages guys. जो भी हम पी सकते हैं उन्हें हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं beverages, whether it's mocktails, juices, even water guys. Moving on to the next word we have here is खाना मेन्यू से ऑर्डर करना. इसे हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं, बहुत ही यूनिक वर्ड है, a la carte. It's pronounced as a la carte. Means जब भी हम रेस्टोरेंट्स में या होटल्स में जाते हैं, जब हम खाना मेन्यू से ऑर्डर करते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं a la carte. Let's move on to the next word which is छुरी कांटा. ये तो आप सब जगह यूज करते होगे, in your houses, at hotels, restaurants, parties, everywhere, which is known as cutlery in English. It's basically a set of spoons, forks and knives which we use for having our food. To move ahead we have the word jeera, जिसे हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं cumin seeds. We basically use this to fry something, to fry food. So this is known as cumin seeds in English. Let's see another word which is ajwain, which are known as carom seeds in English guys. Ajwain basically we use when we have a stomach ache or we are not feeling well. So these are known as carom seeds. Here we have one more interesting word which is सौंफ. सौंफ को हम बोलते हैं fennel or any seed in English. सौंफ तो हम सब खाते हैं when we go out of the restaurants. So this is known as fennel or any seed. Next word is धूम धड़ाका, means काला time guys. धूम धड़ाका हम पार्टीज पे भी करते हैं, घर पर भी करते हैं, जब भी हम enjoy करते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, उसे हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं gala time. Whenever we have a happy time means we have a very gala time. Here we have one more interesting word which is Fruit Loops. These are very colorful, right? We love these. These are basically round shaped cereals which are colorful and sweet. We have these in breakfast. One more word to make your vocabulary sound, which is अनाज. अनाज को हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं cereals, guys. You can see here some Fruit Loops, Chocos, Cornflakes. All these are cereals. We have all of these mainly in breakfast, or we can have them in any time of the day. Next word, दालें, which is known as pulses in English. साबुत दालें होती हैं जो whole grains होते हैं, हम उन्हें pulses कहते हैं. And next, जो छिलके वाली दालें होती हैं means split दालें होती हैं, हम उन्हें कहते हैं lentils. So here we have pulses and lentils. Another word, पेटू. पेटू इंसान को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं अब? Which is known as gourmet in English. Gourmet is a person who loves eating food and can have food at any time is known as a gourmet person. Petu. One more word, masale, which are condiments in English, guys. जो मसाले हम नेचर से ऑब्टेन करते हैं और एज इट इज यूज करते हैं, लाइक लौंग, इलायची, which is cardamom and clove in English, इन्हें हम कहते हैं condiments. और नेक्स्ट देखते हैं मसाले लाइक सीजनिंग्स और स्प्रिंकलर्स, जो हम पीस कर बनाते हैं, इन्हें हम कहते हैं सीजनिंग्स और स्प्रिंकलर्स. मसाले दोनों हैं, but there's a minor difference in them. One more exciting word, ओखल और मसूल, जिसे हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं मोटर एंड पेसल. ये आपने किचन में बहुत बार नोटिस किया होगा, पर क्या कभी इसकी इंग्लिश जानने की कोशिश की है? दिस इज नोन एज मोटर एंड पेसल इन इंग्लिश, जो हम ग्राइंड करने के लिए यूज करते हैं कॉन्डिमेंट्स को. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट वर्ड, कोलंडर. कोलंडर इज मोरियों वाला बर्तन, which we use in the kitchen to wash the veggies so that the water drains out and the veggies remain there in the utensil. एक और वर्ड है हमारे पास which is खाने योग्य. Whatever we can eat in this world is known as edible. जो भी हम खा सकते हैं, जो खाने योग्य है, उस चीज को हम बोलते हैं edible. Like in the picture, there are some cookies and chocolates which are edibles. Here we have the next word, which is party poppers. I really adore these because these are stick-like cylinders. When we roll these, confetti, chamkili जो हमने किया था, which was the first word, this comes out of these, and we use these in many celebrations. Now it's idiom time, guys. Let's learn what all idioms we have for the theme food, fun and party. Couch potato. Does this really mean a potato sitting on a couch? No. Let's see its meaning, which is a lazy, fat and inactive person. जो इंसान सब सारा दिन लेजी रहता है, उससे हम कहते हैं a couch potato. Drive someone nuts. What does this mean? This means make someone crazy with mischiefs. जब आप अपनी शरारतों से किसी को बहुत गुस्सा दिला देते हो, that means to drive someone nuts. Next, a piece of cake. I think this must be very sweet because it's a piece of cake. Let's see its meaning, which is something very easy. जब कोई भी काम बहुत ही आसान होता है, and then you can say that it's just a piece of cake. I will do it. Not my cup of tea. Wait. It doesn't mean that ये मेरे चाय का कप नहीं है. It means I cannot do it. Whenever you have to say someone that something you're unable to do it or you can't do it, so you can say it in a polite manner by using this idiom. Means it's not my cup of tea. Cool as cucumber. A cucumber is very cool. So let's see the meaning of this idiom, which is a cool-tempered person. कोई इंसान जो बहुत ही cool रहता है और उसको गुस्सा कम आता है, हम उसे कह सकते हैं that look, he's as cool as a cucumber. Next idiom, hard nut to crack. Nuts are really hard to crack. So इस idiom का मतलब है an extremely difficult task. Whenever you have to say that something is very tough to do, is very difficult, so you can use this idiom that it's a hard nut to crack. I would say that waking up my sister is really a hard nut to crack. And a more interesting idiom is use your noodle. इसका क्या मतलब है? Means use your brain. If someone talks about silly matter, so you can of course use this idiom that my dear, use your noodle, which means अपना दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो, don't talk about silly things. एक और interesting idiom, a party animal. Can animals really party? No, they cannot. So the meaning of this idiom is a party lover. Someone who really is fond of parties और जो हमेशा बहाना ढूंढता है पार्टी करने का, उसे हम कह सकते हैं a party animal. Next one, blow away the cobwebs. The meaning of this idiom is something that makes you feel lively. So let me use this idiom by saying that whenever I do cycling, it blows away the cobwebs. Means it lowers down my stress, what all I have, so it makes me feel lively. Here we have one more idiom, which is be a barrel of laughs. What does this mean? The meaning of this idiom is something or someone very funny. Basically a person who laughs himself and makes others laugh too, or something who makes everyone laugh at a particular moment. One more exciting idiom is let the hair down. This means get in a party mood. Whenever we have to say that let's dance, let's break the leg and get in a party mood, let's use this idiom that let the hair down. Have a cast iron stomach. Really? Can a stomach be made of iron? I don't believe this. So let's see what's the meaning of this idiom. It is someone who can eat anything without facing any problem. That means he or she can digest anything, whatever he or she eats. Even if there's so many sweets, the person can eat that without facing any problem. Moving ahead, we have this idiom which is finger licking good. The meaning of this is very delicious. Whenever Mama cooks very delicious food, you can always say her, Mama, it's really finger licking good. So that she also feels delighted that you loved her food. Have a whale of a time. I'm a little confused. So let's see its meaning. It means enjoy yourself very much. Whenever you have to say that I really want to enjoy myself, or you have to say to someone that enjoy yourself, then you can use this idiom for sure. That have a whale of a time. Can we have the next idiom, please? The last idiom of the day is make someone's day. And the meaning of this idiom is to make someone feel very happy. So let me use this. Did I make your day? So comment this down below. With this, we come to the end and thank you so much. Bye bye.